Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. It is a privilege to share our study exploring the digital presence of Papuan ethnic groups, a study on wait, okay, a study on cultural representation within website. Papua, with its vast cultural diversity, holds 255 officially recorded indigenous tribes. Yet in today's digital era, many remain unseen online. This research examines how these tribes are represented in websites, why this matters, and what it means for cultural preservation in the digital age. Okay, so Papua is a region of remarkable cultural and ethnic diversity, home to thousands in indigenous communities, each with its own language, beliefs, and unique cultural expression. However, many of these heritage have yet to be recognized as national cultural heritage due to limit supporting data and inadequate physical or digital documentation. In the digital era, websites and online media serve as vital tools for preserving culture through multimedia formats such as video, podcasts, and interactive maps. The digital documentation of Papua's remote tribes remain scarce, creating a gap between their real existence and online representation, and potentially threatening their cultural identity. Focused research is therefore needed to examine how indigenous Papuan tribes are represented on cultural websites and to identify the remaining documentation gap. Okay. Okay. For this study applies a mixed method approach, combining quantitative count of Papuan tribes represented on website with qualitative analysis of their portrayal. Quantitative data is obtained through progressive sampling of website based on official tribes distribution data. Using each tribe's name in behavior in Bahasa Indonesia as a standalone Google search keyword to reflect common user behavior. Google is selected for its over 19 global market 90 global market share. Relevant results are analyzed for cultural representation. The qualitative analysis examines article titles, narratives, and language using Stuart Hall's cultural representation theory with a reflective approach, viewing media as a mirror of exciting cultural realities. Okay. Out of 255 indigenous tribes officially recorded in Papua, only 34, about 13%, are culturally represented in digital media, mainly through websites. Some tribes appear in multiple outlets, with the Dani Asmat, Amungme, Kamaro, Mi, and Korowai being the most frequently featured. This limited digital documentation raises concerns about the potential erosion of local culture, especially for remote tribes with no online exposure. An example analysis is the article mengenal suku Dani, asal-usul kepercayaan hingga tradisi potong jadi, which which portrays the Dani people in line with Stuart Hall a reflective approach, presenting culture as a direct mirror of reality. The article describes their origin in the Belian Valley, animist belief in ancestral spirit and natural forces, and the Ikipalin finger cutting ritual as an expressive of grief. Okay. These aspects, origin, belief system, and traditional are presented factually without reinterpretation, embracing heritage and historical identity. Keyword analysis show tradition uh, and history as dominant themes in digital portrayals. Okay, to conclusion, this study finds that digital representation of Papua tribes, especially those in remote areas, remains very limited. Of 255 officially recorded tribes, only 34 are represented on website, indicating a major imbalance in cultural documentation that risks marginalizing others. The finds show that digital media has yet to represent Papua's cultural diversity equitably, uh, with much content still superficial and stereotypical, which while supporting the idea that digital media can preserve culture, this is only effective is applied inclusively with active community participation. Okay, the study strict lies in its mixed method approach, offering a comprehensive view of online cultural representation. Its main limitation is the small number of websites analyzed, prompting future research to broaden data coverage and involve indigenous community directly to improve accuracy and sustainability of Papua's digital culture archive. Okay, okay. So our study found that 34 out of 255 open tribes, about 13%, are represented in website. This gap calls for action to strengthen the only presence of Papua heritage in ensuring its tribe's identity is preserved and shared globally. Digital visibility is not just information, it is cultural empowerment. Thank you.